I am Uzma Afrin, standing here to speak few words on this great occasion of Indian Republic Day. Today, we are here to celebrate the 72nd anniversary of the promulgation of a constitution to our sovereign land. We all know that before 15th August 1947, our country was being ruled by a colonial power in collaboration with the feudal element of our different states, which proved great obstruction in the way of socio-economic and cultural development of our motherland. Meanwhile, in view of the new changes that led a number of countries in the Western world towards development and prosperity, we too required to keep pace with the system introduced and practiced there. The New World Order was reflected in the theory of enlightenment, which changed not only people's neutral status but gave a new shape to the economy, culture and social structure in most of the Western countries. The system was known as democracy, which was based upon the idea of equality, freedom and fraternity for every citizen and nation. Freedom of thought and action was guaranteed to every member of the society irrespective of their social status. We all know that although we retained a lot of natural wealth and resources, our country India was treated under most backward countries. So, in order to make a way towards progress and prosperity, we required a radical change in our socio-economic and political system. It was under these circumstances that after a long discussion among the members of the Constitution Assembly, a constitution was framed under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and was passed by our elected representatives of Parliament of Independent India on 26 January 1950. The preamble of Constitution declared that India will be a sovereign, democratic and secular country assuring freedom, equality and justice to every citizen of the land irrespective of religion, caste, color and creed differences. We regret that although long 72 years have passed from the day our constitution was approved, yet a lot has to be done in the direction of implementing the sacred values envisaged in it to give a shape of democratic identity to our motherland. Let us pledge on this day of celebration to uphold high and sacred values of our constitution and a determination and sincere efforts towards implementation of the same, so that a democratic identity of our country is ensured.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ कलबंगा हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जननी तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा
जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
हमारे यहाँ कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे
Dear students, parents, and my dear teachers, a very happy 72nd Republic Day to all of you. Today, on this day, the Constitution was officially adopted by our countrymen. The Constitution lays down the fundamental rights and duties of the citizens, and also it consists of the directions to the governments. This is the reason it is so important for us, and it is very, very important for every democratic country. This time, amidst this pandemic, we are celebrating Republic Day without our children to avoid mass gathering. I hope you all must be hale and hearty in your homes. My dear students, we are very much concerned about your physical and mental well-being. Standard 9 to 12 have started coming in a staggered manner, you all must be knowing. And very soon, as per the direction of the government, we will be welcoming our younger students. Till then, keep working hard, maximize your time in your studies, in other activities. Not speaking too much, I would like to end my note with a beautiful Hindi poetry by Dushyant Kumar, who was a revolutionary poet, and these lines are very close to me. हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए। हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी निकलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए। आज यह दीवार पर्दों की तरह हिलने लगी, शर्त थी लेकिन ये बुनियाद हिलनी चाहिए। सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए। मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए, हो कहीं भी आग लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए। जय हिंद।